a while ago, that sometimes he's very humorous, sometimes he's very quiet, sometimes you don't understand. But being with him for a longest time, ever since he's courting my sister, I learned a lot already. We know him, that's why we were all good. We were like knitted family. Because, we understand each other. And Kuya Alex, mind you, he's a very generous man. He's a very remarkable, just like the children said. Yeah, he's really a generous person. I tell you one thing that he had, as anybody come to United States from the Philippines, you can bring anything. You are limited, even money. So we came with together with my four children. Yeah, and our Port of Entry is in Illinois, where Kuya Alex and my sister was living there. And of course, the sister of Kuya Alex, who were established in Illinois at that time. We were all together with them. Like even Ate Mirna, the sister that passed away, and Ate Baby, they were in Canada, which is farther out. But they were so, as I said, they were so generous. We barely had anything, just saying. And they had, Kuya Alex had an open arms and open house for all of us, 4 children and my husband and me. So we were 6, and they were growing up. We stayed there for so long a time that we were able to stand our own feet. And not only that, but I'm glad Nestor is here. I was telling him when I saw him this morning that the mother, which is the sister of Kuya Alex, always bring us boxes of their clothes, new and old clothes of them, because they were 3 boys, right? 3 boys or 2? 3. Yeah, 3. And Arlene, of course, I had 5 boys then. Lorraine,
4 boys.
That she's a late girl, so their clothes. And they were picky, of course, growing up, these kids, because they were so established in